Hi, we're Mandy and Lee with the Frugal Travellers, travelling the world on a budget for over 30 years, and at the moment we're in the Singapore airport.
And this is so exciting. We are going to travel the very first time ever on Saudia Airlines. We're going to fly from Singapore to Jeddah and then on to Barcelona. This video is going to be about the Singapore to Jeddah version. We're really quite excited about it, aren't we,
Yeah,
Mandy?
definitely. But we've got 27 hours to wait until our Saudia flight.
Yeah, we've come from Perth and now we're just chilling in the airport, aren't we, in our usual place. We are budget travellers. We travel the world on a low budget, so we kind of cut a few corners here and there, don't we?
So what have we got for breakfast, Lee?
We've got tea that we bought ourselves. These are our tea bags and our own cups. They provide hot water at Singapore airport, which is really good. And then we've got some snacks, some cheese and crackers, which we bought in Perth, reduced to $1, so we won't be buying any food here. We might get some food a bit later on, we'll see how we go with that. But yeah, this is our usual spot in Singapore airport. We fly through here a lot, and we found a nice little corner where we sleep every night, don't we, Mandy?
Yes.
That's our corner there.
I do actually live in fear that because we keep advertising our favourite spot in Singapore so often, we're going to come here one day, there's going to be someone else here. But this is our little camp. Yep, right by the water lily garden.
Free cinema here at Changi, Terminal 3, always good, plenty on.
We're a little bit peckish before our 3 a.m. Saudia flight from Singapore to Jeddah, so we thought we'd get something to eat, Terminal 3, and we've gone for onigiri. Okay, it's not Saudi, it's not Singaporean, but we haven't had these for blooming ages.
So there's a food court upstairs in Terminal 3, and by the butterfly garden there's a 7-Eleven, so you can go to the food court and spend about 16 Sing dollars for a meal or something like that, or you can buy the onigiri for $2.50 each, which is really good value for money, and I'm looking forward to it too. So how's the onigiri, Mandy?
Well, after the initial hassle getting into it, you pull different arrows and you do different things. It's delicious, really nice. Okay, I've gone for the chicken and mushroom, because remember I'm like 93% whole food, plant-based.
And onigiri is rice in seaweed wrap,
yep.
Right?
And tiny little bit of flavoury stuff. Chicken and mushroom, you can just see a bit there, you know, but it's actually really tasty. And it's better than some of the options around there, which seem to be quite oily, quite greasy, deep fried. This is a nice, lovely snack.
Oh my word, after years of deliberation, I have just gone and bought a drone. Yes, the DJI 4K. If you want to buy one, click on the link below. Actually, we don't have one yet, but let's see how this improves our videos, or whether I crash it on the very first flight and you never see a drone video again. But I'm so excited to try this baby out.
It's now 10:30 p.m, which means we've been in Singapore airport for almost 24 hours. All of that has been in the transit area.
Yeah, it's far more comfortable to hang around airside, I think. You know, you've got a nice place, you've got some comfortable carpets to sleep on and that kind of thing, yeah. I've had a great time wandering around. I've been to the movie theatre, I've done a little bit of shopping, the butterfly garden, the orchid area. Yeah, it's just, there's so much to see in Singapore airport. You can easily spend a whole day here.
And was the movie any good that you saw?
No, it was rubbish, actually. Yeah, mostly kids stuff, so I wouldn't bother so much with that. Look at the draw, I suppose.
Yeah.
But now we are going to go through security and immigration and actually go to landside, because we have to check in for our next flight in Saudia Airlines and then come back this side for our flight at 3:45 in the morning. So yeah, godforsaken hour to go, isn't it?
Absolutely crazy. We'd actually applied in advance for our Singapore, what do they call it, a landing card?
Arrival card. Yeah, you can do that online. It's quite straightforward. You just fill in the form and then you can get your sort of downloaded cab, which you can show them to go into Singapore properly.
Yeah, fantastic. So we're going to go through all of that now, and we'll see you on the other side.
Let's go.
So the immigration process was just so swift and effortless. It's all automated. You don't speak to anyone. As long as you've got your arrival card, you know, got that on the phone, etc., everything's good. But so we're in the queue now for Saudia at desk 10, and oh my word.
Yeah, we're the first ones in the queue. I love that. They said it's going to open at 11:30 for a 3:45 a.m. departure. So that's, you know, almost 4 hours before. And he said she might be a bit earlier, so we might be able to get through quickly. So I've got a good feeling about Saudia. If it's anything like the experience we had when we were in Saudi Arabia, hospitality is second to none, and they really go out of their way to help you out. So I'm thinking this is what it might be like on Saudia Airlines, fingers crossed.
So that went like quite well, I
Yeah,
think.
really good check-in experience.
Yeah, and we've got our boarding passes all the way through to Barcelona.
Yeah, we were a little bit worried we might have to check in again when we got to Jeddah, but we've only got 2 hours and 35 minutes transit, so I'm quite pleased. Everything's checked through. We just in transit straight there.
Yes, and I noticed she actually put like a little sticker on, like a gold sticker. It said INT, International, to indicate that our bags aren't staying in Jeddah. They're going to go on to Europe.
Now this first flight is really full apparently, it's a full plane, but the one going on to Barcelona afterwards is quite quiet, so we're pleased about that.
Yeah, so make sure you watch the second video as well, like showing
For that
that
one, yeah.
Jeddah to Barcelona experience. And also we're going to do a little tour around Jeddah Airport as well, because we've never been there before, so it'll be interesting to check it out.
Been to Jeddah but not to the airport, yeah. So now we've got about 4 hours to kill before our flight goes, so we might have a little wander around before we go back through to airside.
I love those vehicles here in Singapore, like the trolley cart things. Now it's 3 a.m.
Yeah, we've just been asleep under a bench over there, and both like 3 o'clock in the morning. What kind of time of day is this, you know? But the flight leaves at 3:45. The gate opened at 2:45, so 1 hour before it's time to fly. So I've got to go through security now, and they're going to check our passports, and we'll be ready to go.
Yeah, I'm really curious to find out what sort of food we're going to get. What food do they serve at, you know?
That time of day, yeah, because it's a 9 hour and 10-minute flight. We're leaving at 3:45 and arriving at 7:30 a.m. So
Do we get 2 breakfasts?
a lunch and a breakfast. Yeah, I'm ready to eat. Are you?
Definitely.
Kind of, yeah. Oh, God knows what time of day it is anymore. I really don't know. So that's our bird. I don't know if you can see that with the glare in the screen, but it's a Boeing 787-900. 333 seat formation, and we are in economy class, somewhere near the back. We're in economy. I thought these were business class seats, so that's a good sign. So here we are on our flight. Now this looks really good to me. I haven't had a good check yet so far, but we've got a nice big screen here and a console below. Let's check out. Got a fold out tray table there. Goes double. Incredible amount of leg room. Really impressed with that. Not sure what the seat pitch is, I'll find out. I reckon at least 34. Nice little green Saudi blanket. Seems very comfortable and plush. For economy, big plus. What do you think, Mandy?
Really good.
Not sure how old the plane is, but this is a real old-fashioned console we've got there with the buttons both sides. Some nice little touch.
Oh, I haven't had these for ages, like this scented towels, hand wipes. Hand wipes. I think I used to rub them all over my face, but not anymore. Ooh.
Seems to be a good selection of movies. I'm really looking forward to the Dylan one.
Okay, so we've got our Saudia toothbrush.
So after 40 minutes into the flight, not only do we get a welcome pack, but we get a nice drink of water too. Lovely. So an hour and a half into the flight, and the first lot of meals is coming round now. It looks like some snacks are coming. Let's see what we've got. So there was 2 options for breakfast, we'll call it, because it's 5:30 a.m. I've gone for the chicken noodle with eggs. That looks quite nice. With fruit, yogurt, mango juice, egg coffee as well, and a croissant. Pretty reasonable. Mandy, what have you got?
Okay, so I went for the scrambled egg option just so we could try both of them. The first croissant I got was rubbish, so I asked for another one. And I got it. This is a scrambled egg. It looks quite good. I think it's scrambled egg with spinach, maybe. Same as leek, fruit, that sort of stuff.
A little bit dry, but it tastes quite nice. I'm looking forward to this, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll share. We'll go halves, won't we?
Maybe.
So we both get the good stuff.
I don't know. I'm thinking the scrambled eggs is the good stuff, but anyway.
There is limited free internet access. You get 15 minutes and 3 megabytes. You can buy more for $20 US or $50 US, depending on how much you need. 5 hours into the trip, and I've got to make a toilet visit, so may as well show you around. This is what it looks like. A mirror, of course. Lights. It's fairly clean. Good condition. Economy class. Not bad. Less than 2 hours left and the second meal of the day has come. Now it's just a snack basically. I ordered the bland meal because I've had chikungunya and colitis and all sorts of things, so I haven't got a main one, but I think everyone's got pretty much the same. This little box came and it's a pastry, just like that, and then we've got a dessert to go with it as well. Let me just try the pastry. Sure what the filling is. Mandy will have to tell you because she's better at tasting things than me. It might be meat, a little bit of spice, but yeah, pretty basic. I'm looking forward to a cup of coffee.
So I think it might be pumpkin or like spicy, slightly curry flavoured chickpea. It's kind of very Indian flavoured, sort of like a samosa, but in a sausage roll form. No meat, vegetarian.
Can you eat another one?
Yeah.
I could eat another two.
Yeah, they're not very big. Like the food, yeah.
One feature they have on the Saudi flights is the prayer room. There's 9 seats removed at the back so people can do their prayers during the flight. The end of that flight. Arrived safe and sound with 10 minutes to go. Pretty good. Welcome to Saudi Arabia. So here we are in Jeddah. We've made it. I think about 10 minutes late, something like that. Yep. Flight finished. Andy, what do you think? What are your thoughts?
It was okay. Like the service wasn't that great, but they weren't that friendly or smiley or. I don't think they loved their jobs.
Yeah,
the seats were really comfortable.
Yeah, definitely.
But the food.
Thumbs up for comfort with the seats,
Yeah.
and the entertainment was quite good. I really enjoyed the Bob Dylan movie anyway. I was dying to see that, and I didn't get much sleep because I was just up, watched the sunrise as we come in over the Arabian Peninsula, and we flew over the Rub al Khali, the empty quarter, magnificent. Unfortunately, we were sitting right on the wing, so we couldn't get many good photos of that. That was another bad seat, really, in that respect, wasn't it?
Yeah, not that great.
Yeah.
But I've got to say, the green blanket was very comfortable and warm. It was lovely.
Yeah, and the food, yeah, it was pretty average. I thought my chicken and noodles was okay for the
chicken was
first
so dry.
meal. Yeah, and then but the second one, like that little tiny pumpkin pie thing. Yeah, I'm still hungry right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that wasn't that great. But we're going to go through now. We're going to show you a little bit around Jeddah Airport.
In the start of the next video, I think, we'll wrap this one up here. We're flying on to Barcelona, and we're going to make another separate video out of that because people prefer to watch one leg of a journey, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and we'll give you answers to that.
Yep, and keep watching for the next video because it's going to be lots of fun, I'm sure.
Yeah, Jeddah to Barcelona.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Okay, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.